Hello, my name is Ellie Widdowson, and this is my career plan presentation. So as of right now, I am planning on being a school counselor slash psychologist. School psychologists are on the team of school-based interventionists meant to help children succeed despite learning, emotional, or behavioral issues. These highly trained professionals screen students for disabilities, offer counseling, and help teachers and families create independent education plans, also known as IEPs. They also may work one-on-one with students experiencing personal problems. They may also work on a large scale to educate students about drug abuse, bullying, or other significant issues high schoolers face. Required education. The first area is undergraduate. School psychologists typically hold a bachelor's degree in psychology or a closely related field. Most psychology graduate programs require prospective candidates to have at least a 3.0 GPA in order to gain successful entry. The next step is graduate education, and most states require that student psychologists have a master's degree. And the third step is licensure slash certification, and school psychologists need a license from the state to practice. Licensure requirements vary by state, but most states require at least 60 graduate credits to earn licensure or certification, so many school psychologists pursue an EDS in school psychology. Most states require at least 1,200 hours of supervised experience in addition to education requirements. Many states also require passing exam scores on a school psychologist examination, such as the Praxis 2 exam. My 4-year plan aligns with this because I am currently taking classes required to graduate with a psychology degree here at BYU Idaho. A few of them are developmental psychology lifespan, social psychology, etc. And after graduating from BYU Idaho, I plan on earning a master's degree in a graduate school program, as well as obtaining my license in whatever state I'm going to be employed in. And lastly, I'm pursuing a degree in psychology because I am fascinated with the way the human mind functions. I also want to have a career where I can work with and help lots of people. This aligns with some of the reasons from Chapter 13, which include, quote, I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. Psychology is a good undergraduate degree to prepare me for a graduate or professional degree, and I want to become an academic psychologist.